Welcome back to the channel. We're going to be covering BTC USD. We're going to start on the 4 hour. In this video, we're going to be covering potential levels where Bitcoin is going to reverse. Is Bitcoin now bullish? Do I think it's bullish? We broke out to the upside. What we could see, are we in a bear market? Are we in a bull market? I don't know. Let's figure it out. We're going to start off with Bitcoin on the 4 hour. We're absolutely pumping with a low of 33,000, now sitting at 43,000, up 32%. That's awesome. We can see that the transition from selling pressure to buying pressure is good, but now we're getting some high volume with not a lot of movement. Yes, we are moving, but it's getting slower and slower. Again, the markets don't turn on a dime. Sometimes they do. Nice false breakout turned on the dime. But the overall market to get this bullish did not turn. The short-term turns, yes, they turn right on a dime. But the overall bearish to bullish does not turn that quick. So let's go ahead and jump over to the daily. Now I have the Fibonacci retracements drawn from the high to the low. We pulled back to this $34,000 level. A key level that we have to watch is this $46,000 level. We can see that we had some support, broke through it, false breakout, support here, broke through, found it as resistance, support. So this is a pretty strong level with a lot of touches, and it also lines up with the 38.2 fib level at $46,600. We can see that we have the decreasing volume, and when you have decreasing volume for a trend, it tells you that the trend is weak. So if you are looking to be a buyer, I would not suggest buying right now. We are coming into resistance as we are coming into this previous high and this zone, this 38.2 zone, and the $46,000 level zone. So we have the previous high, people are going to be selling into that area. Coming into another fib level, people are going to be selling into that area. Coming into a nice resistance area, this $46,000 level. Those are three indicators that are telling you that's going to reverse at that level. We also have decreasing volume. There's four that's telling you that this is not going to continue higher. It could. It very well could. But I'm not going to go against my indicators. Or indications, I should say. Because we're using tools, we're using price action, and we're using indicators. So it's a combined of all of them. For me to say that Bitcoin is now bullish, I might make videos that Bitcoin and the whole crypto market are bullish, bearish, short term. But for Bitcoin to be bullish overall, I really want to see it over and hold this 50% fib level, ideally. Ideally, this 50% fib level, break above around 54,000, this previous low, break above this trend line, and then continue higher. Now, that is very, very hard, especially with the current market that we're in, especially with all the things happening with Russia and Ukraine and a new COVID variant. Oh no, it's going to be hard. The fear is crazy, and we're going to be gearing up. Like, this is just speculation. I'm a 20-year-old. I have no idea what the fuck I'm talking about, but I think we're going to enter a very, very big depression. Very big depression. The US dollar has no value whatsoever. No value. 50% of it was printed in the past 12 to 15 months. And what do you do to hedge against the dollar? Buy gold. And what do you do to hedge against the US dollar? Buy precious metals and cryptocurrencies. So we'll have to see. It's going to be a new almost era, I should say. We have the bear market, bull market. I do think we're going to get away from the classic bear market, bull market, because we're also moving to proof of stake, and there's more people in this market, so we're not going to see, it's going to be harder to shift that momentum from bullish to bearish. And also, cryptocurrencies have never really seen a recession or a depression. So that's going to be interesting going into the next few years, seeing what's happening. If Russia actually invades Ukraine, if NATO starts attacking Russia, if we stop Russia from using the SWIFT system, we're going to have to see what the whole market's doing. I know used car market is up. The real estate market's up. Stock market is up. The SPY, absolutely just stupid volatile. This is how a market should react. Move, yes, nice. We're kind of moving up. We have some dips, but we're, just kind of moving up. And then we're just absolutely just moving 20 points in a day. What is that? What is that? Just 20 points. We bullish. Boom. Just decreasing volume. Just boom, gap up, boom, gap up, boom, gap up. We can see that this candle at 427 ran all the way up to 441. That is not how markets are supposed to move. Now, I might be ranting. I might have no idea what I'm talking about, which is okay. Let me know down in the comments if you agree with me or not. But the market is looking a little scary. But anyways, let's go ahead and jump back to Bitcoin. Would like to see it, if we're bullish, I would like to see it break this $46,000 level, but that does not bring us out of the clear. We have to crack 50,000, 54,000 in my opinion. Now, if we actually go ahead and jump on the weekly, we can see that a bear market is never complete unless it is bounced off the 200 moving average. 2017 bull market, boom, pull back today. 2013 bull market, boom, and then we run. We can see we're pulling back in this area. We have decreasing volume. We have 6 days left though. 6 days left, so anything can happen. And if we zoom out, we can see that this is just could just be a correction, a smaller correction. We had decreasing volume, but with a larger spread. That is not what we want to see. A decreasing volume, larger spread. The price action does not match the volume. So we are not going to take this trend. If the price action does not match the volume, then that's an anomaly, and you should not take the trend. You should not take the trade. We will have to see over the next 6 days as it develops to see if we're going to continue to move or if this is just a short-term pullback to continue dumping. Now, you want to stay up to date and make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.